Hello, welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods. Now today, well in fact this weekend, I have been in a really cool place. I have been at Gilwell Reunion, and just behind me somewhere there is the famous Gilwell oak tree. And that has inspired me to do this base. So at Reunion, it's all about trying to pass those skills on to the future scout leaders, to inspire them to become the best scout leader. And it's about inspiring leaders who've been a leader for many years and they just need refreshment, new ideas to take back to their troop, their section, and do things. And that's what I'm doing on the base today. The Gilwell oak inspired me to do a traditional Japanese art called Homo Sapper. My Japanese isn't the best, but it's called leaf ink. And basically in English, it's leaf bashing. Bashing the leaf to get the ink from the leaf onto a bit of cotton and making an amazing print. Things to remember. But what I've done here in the back is make them into a game of leaf IDing, rather than just going to a field and pointing, what's this tree, what's that tree. Make it interactive, make it fun, and that's what we're doing here. One, they're learning about leaf and tree IDing. Secondly, they're making something to take home. We've done it in the past where we've done it at camp and they made their own neckers and they imprinted it on t-shirts. Let's show you how to do it. So in this setup, all I've done is use some pillowcase. I've also got cotton waxing strips. That works really well. So you're gonna need some fresh leaves that you've just cut recently, within an hour or so, okay? You can't cut these down a day. You need to be fresh. They need to have the sap in that leaf in order for the kind of leaf ink to go in, soaking into the cotton wool. It will make sense. That's all you really need. Apart from one other thing, you need a hammer, okay? I've been using a metal hammer, DIY hammer from the shed. That works really well, but it's quite heavy for the young person. Or these wooden mallets. They work perfect. They're great for young people, but don't use a rubber mallet. They're really bouncy. They don't give enough oomph. Then you get your cotton strip, put your leaf in the middle of it like a sandwich, squeeze it down. Risk assessment is mind your fingers, and then that's it. You start bashing. Now, for about 30 seconds, nothing appears. You're like, this is going wrong, this is not working. Then suddenly the magic appears. Then the ink from the leaf suddenly soaks through the cotton, and then you start seeing the shape of the leaf. Here I've been using the Gilwell oak. It's a really lovely oak tree, just because we're at Reunion, the oak tree, that combination. But I've tried lots of different leaves, plants, petals. They work so well. Some work better than others, but that's the whole point. A bit of experiment, see what works, see what's not. We're coming into autumn, we've got those autumn colors, but don't use dry leaves, okay? You need fresh leaves, not leaves that you've got from the ground. Freshly picked leaves, and that we are. Happy leaf bashing. Then go and use it for tree IDing games, play around with it, have a bit of fun, but it's also good for aggression, stress relief. Have a great one.